And I did not know that. It's really funny. But yeah, I watched their video. It was like longest trick shots, and it was also really good. It's not, they're like trick shots just have not gotten old. I used to watch them in like middle school or even elementary school or something like that. I thought they were already in Texas. Zero weapons, zero weapons. But yeah, they're still cool. I feel like they've like adapted to like YouTube very well over the years. Or maybe they're just like, I don't know. Or maybe just like their formula just works. So it's just, I mean, it's not even like, they don't even do trick shot videos that often from what I've seen. I haven't like watched a lot of their videos, but they don't even do like trick shots much anymore, but. Shoot. Wait, SMO, RTA. Yay! Oh, this is scary. Yes. There we go. Here's a good one. Oh, I see RT. I forgot what that meant. That's huge. Wait, so that's just a segment. What the heck? You PB by 5 minutes? Wow. Oh, shoot. Oh. Could have been me. That could have been me. Actually, I've never played Super Mario Odyssey. So I can now talk about it. Oh. I mean, I could technically talk about it. I just couldn't add anything. This is faster, right? Ooh. That's just tragic. Ooh. I see. Yay! Alright, we'll not have a tragic gorge. We'll actually get a run going. Oh, I should have. Wait. Oh, I do have more liquids. Yeah. Toss a gift. Look at a mirror, little bro. Is he here? Oh yeah, you need that founder badge. You just have the gifter badge, but no founder badge. Wait, do you? Okay, good. I didn't trust that bill anyway. Oh, I trusted that one. Mobile. Even better. That's more money. I'm just kidding. Ooh. Actually, really does not even lose like any time. Even better. No, wait. Does that mean? Wait, does Twitch? Are they the only ones that make more from that? If they don't, then don't do it. Don't give the evil corporations more money. Evil behavior. Villainous work. Whee! Right. I use a bullet bill about now. That works. That will do. Android. Yay, we're still minus. Peon. Those guys' splits are crazy, bro. Every time I look at this guy's freaking splits, the world records times. No sub, no RTA. Can we make it out? Can we make it out of the mushroom cup? So far we are making it out. That was a good first bit. Obviously could get shocked here. Oh, ah, shock me, I dare you. We might as well walk at that point. It's a morning exercise in the snow. That's actually quite a workout. Like, depending on how deep the snow is, like trudge through the snow. Yeah, you need a sled, bro. Ow. That's a solid odd time. 806. Thanks, Dino. Go fly there. Yeah, with Santa's sleigh and his reindeer. Yay! We're good. We're doing good. Peon sleigh. I think that's the most elite form of a sleigh. One that flies. You should drop gifted subs to people and yell ho ho ho, even though it's January. Dear Santa, all I want is a gifted sub to Icy. What's up? Oh my god. What is up, Soul of the Memory? Guys, we're talking about Christmas in the big 2025. And it's January. Oh my god. This is why I don't PB. Can I make that? Can't. July for the nostalgic vibe. Did you guys know that rocking around the Christmas tree was actually made in. Oh my God! It was actually made in July. They filmed it and like recorded it. I don't know if they. I don't even know if there's a music. But they recorded it, the song, in July. And they set up a Christmas tree in the studio. It was crazy. You can celebrate Christmas anytime. Yay! Or just like to get to work, just get some like skis and just do some cross-country skiing, you know? Dude, can I get the trick? I don't know. I don't know how you get that trick. Oh my God. Dude, this is a terrible CM. I'm not even in first. Get out of here. H. Greg. Who's that? It was a horrendous lap. But it wasn't my fault. Electrons. Now why is that? Koopa marketable question. Dude! Oh, I see. Ooh, yes, baby. Over there. Me over there. Ow! Oh, this is bad. Oh man, this is gonna be like a 220. Slightly better. At least I dodged. Yeah, this is bad. Whatever. Ouch. Or this DKS is gonna be amazing. It's gonna be the best DKS you've ever seen. It's gonna be a 143. First ever. Yo, a 38, that's crazy. Ooh, I'm so glad I grabbed that mega. Oh shoot, is that fast? What's up, worms with teeth? I need to see what that lap is. What was that lap? saw it was a 30 something. My banana is bad. Ooh. Yo, what? 156 is crazy. That's definitely a gold. It's a huge gold by at least 3 seconds. Yeah, 2.8. That's insane. Holy. What does the world record get in there? We got a 205. That's huge. Wow. Wow. That's some good ass items. Woo. Glad I can take the double cut also without being like very scared. Yeah. At least on lap 1. Oh my god. Dude. Ooh, that's another good time. Nice. Oh yeah, and the SOB, we're almost at 113. Let's go. We're so close. I just want to get another pace like that, the one we had last stream. That was so awesome. I'm totally fine with like being on PB pace right now, but still. I just wonder if I'll ever get that like soon. Oh my god, he drafted me. So far with his luck we're getting, it's been good so far. Seems like, I don't know. Oh, actually, wait, no, I just realized that if I'm like on pace, if I'm like on par with his pace, all I have to do is have like a pretty good, all I have to do is have like a pretty good, retros and I'll get a PB. Just realized that. Forgot. Ooh. Yeah, this has been really good so far. Been insane. Yeah, dude, like, even with like the bad luck, there's just immediately like good stuff happening too. This is crazy. Exactly kind of lap we want. Yeah, balance is a lot better. I'm gonna go against PP though still, cause it's gonna pace is gonna pay off big time. Oh my god. Or maybe this is better because people will be like invested in the run if I have it up at like this. Damn it, dude. Come back. Whoops. Dude. Back to PB. Yeah, the fact that this is actually staying ahead of PB is insane. Oh, that DK summon though is crazy. Imagine I reset. Imagine I reset off that coconut mall. Thanks, Dizzy. How's your evening going? Oh, I got a star. What the heck? Oh, and a mushroom. What the heck? Crazy. Oh my god. Can't see. Oh. My stick. Mushroom. Still good. I've been lagging at all either. Maybe I'll gamble for a shroom. Gotta gamble harder, I guess. Could've gone for that second item set. Or whatever. Wrong way. Blood tried. Yes. Shroom. Yes. Dodge. Need to dodge. Okay. That works. Bomb dodge. Good, good. What? That works. That works. That works. That works very well. Yes. No shock, please. Go. Yes. Okay. Yo, bro. Alright, we take that. We totally take that. Even if we're gonna be plus. I don't care. I think that it got kind of bad. My run got sort of bad in Rainbow Road and Moonview, or I think it was Bowser's Castle. I think it was like Bowser's Castle and Rainbow Road or something like that went bad. But we'll see. Game really, really, really wants me to win. Got that. Don't disappear. Good, good. Oh my god, where am I going? Got that bill back there, but it's okay. Diddy Kong sucks. That's good. That is solid. Weird. Oh my god, so many bills I'm missing, dude. Oh, there's one, okay. So many bills on the ground, wow. That looks great, though. Really use a power item right now. Oh my god. No, that works. Don't get shocked. Nice. Whew. Alright. We will check what it balanced is after Rainbow Road. Let me check something. Shoot, no. Dude, and remember this. This is green off of the run. Oh my god, this is green off the run that was 1 minute ahead of my previous PB. So all I have to do is have an okay retros, and I'll be good. So I feel like I'm really gonna say I think you should get attached to this run. It might, maybe I'm getting a little ahead of myself. But if we look at balanced, we'll see why. I don't know if you were watching when I was on balanced. Yeah. Dead for life. That's you. Just kidding. Or am I? Maybe I'll end the speedrun if no one gives subs. I don't know why I threw that. Oh wow. That'd be really fun. I was like, I'm gonna end in BC. I'm gonna be like a minus 1 minute to BC64 and be like, no one gets a sub. But by the time this run ends, I'm just gonna reset. No shocks. This is huge. No, oh, man. What are you excited about? Yes. No. 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 Oh, another one. Yeah, that's true. I wonder what it's gonna be like. Hopefully the new Rainbow Road will be better than the 8th Rainbow Road. LMAO. Watching Diddy Kong. No. I just really hope Nintendo cooks with it, because I feel like there's so many things, cool things they could do. Okay, that's not that bad. Are you hit by that fib? It would be. Wow, this is a solid BC Wii. Holy. Okay. I remember I had a horrible BC Wii. So this is really good. In my PB. So I was like, no, I'm losing so much time. Oh. Yeah, what do you think they're gonna do? Are they gonna have a huge ginormous Bowser again? In Bowser's Castle? They had it 2 in a row. Like one of them like punches the road and the other one shoots fireballs. Oh, actually, wait, there's 3. There's that. Jesus Christ. We actually, I'm not even gonna lie, we actually might get Nitro's world record. That people have submitted at least. I don't actually know. Hey, this is a good Rainbow Road. I think I have a. Never, oh my god. Okay, I don't wanna. Jesus Christ, that camera was weird. I don't wanna say anything, but if we have a good Rainbow Road, then we're looking at some serious dubs here. Okay, didn't fall off there. Good, good. Oh, I missed that star. That could have been better. Oh, it was another star. No, oh, it was maybe good. Yay. Oh, wow, I totally missed that. Oh, good respawn. Okay, that could be a lot. Wait, I dodged, didn't I? Did I just dodge? That is actually good then. Wow. If I imagine it sent me like all the way back. That'd be so sad. It didn't. Oh, I felt like I was falling like crazy fast. Yeah, totally take that dodge. I don't know if that's faster or not, but to fall off at least. Okay. Okay. Dude, wait, clip that, clip that. Shoot, I want to go back. Very, very safe. Yeah. 39.28 retro or nitros. Why did I say retros? That is 7 seconds off of the RTA world record. That's crazy. All right, let's check balanced.